Welcome friends, myself saptaparni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. So today we are going to discuss about West Bengal SET Lifescience 2023 Provisional Answer Key. Okay, this is the unofficial answer key from me. So let's begin. The first question asks, antifungal agents that disrupts the cell membrane by selectively binding to ergosterol, forming pores and causing the membrane to become leaky include all of the following except which one? See here the options are amphotericin B, nystatin, ketoconazole and natamycin. Okay, the correct answer would be your ketoconazole, because ketoconazole inhibits the ergosterol formation, but all others binds with ergosterol and forms the leaky channel on the fungus membrane. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Next question, which of the following hormones promote seed dormancy in plant? The correct answer would be abscisic acid, option C. Next question, during gastrulation, splitting of one cellular sheet into two parallel sheets is known as delamination, option B. Next question, select the correct decreasing order of pH of the following cellular compartments. So there are three cellular compartments here, mitochondrial matrix, then cytosol and then lysosome. Okay, we all know lysosome is highly acidic. It has pH of 4.5 to 5. So it has least pH. Okay, so obviously lysosome will be at last. So see here in option A and B there are lysosome at the last position. Now mitochondrial matrix has pH of around 7.8, whereas cytosol has slightly high pH around 7.4. Okay, so obviously highest pH is of mitochondrial matrix, then cytosol, then lysosome. So correct answer is option A. Okay, decreasing, this is the decreasing order. So coming to the next question, peristome of funaria consists of two sets of long conical teeth that take part in spore discharge. Which one of the following show hygroscopic movement? There are two rows of teeth in the funaria peristome, and the outer set of teeth actually show hygroscopic movement, whereas inner set actually acts as a sieve. Okay, so correct answer is option B. Next question, gastric secretion is not inhibited by which of the following? Enterogastric reflex, then secretin, somatostatin and gastrin induced secretion of histamine. Okay, correct answer would be your histamine, because all of the above, somatostatin, secretin and enterogastric reflex actually inhibit the secretion of inhibit the gastric secretion, whereas histamine actually inhibits somatostatin. In that course it actually activates the secretion of gastric juice, okay, or gastric secretion. Next question, if the distribution is negatively skewed, then what will be your answer? Okay, in case of negatively skewed distribution, see, if this is a negatively skewed distribution, then this is mode, this one is mode, then comes your median, here the median and then the mean. Okay, mode, median and then mean. Okay, so obviously see, mean is more than mode. No, mean is lowest, median is right to the mode, median is left to the mode, so it is also not correct. Then mean is less than mode, yes, it is correct, mean is less than mode. Okay, next question, BCG is a vaccine primarily used for prevention of tuberculosis disease. It is prepared by which of the following methods? See here, four options are there. The correct answer would be your option C. It is prepared by using a attenuated strain of Mycobacterium bovis. Okay, not Mycobacterium tuberculosis, it is Mycobacterium bovis. So coming to the next question, miRNA based gene silencing is a type of, what type of silencing? It is a type of post-transcriptional gene silencing, option B. Next question, a method adapted to localize genes on a particular chromosome within a cell using fluorescent probe is known as FISH. Okay. Next question, after meiosis, the resultant daughter cell contains how much DNA? It contains twice DNA. Okay, twice DNA than your gamete contains. Okay, as it Okay, so correct answer would be your option A. Next question, find out the numerical aperture of a compound microscope having limit of resolution 200 nanometer and source of light with 400 nanometer wavelength. We know the formula of resolution, that is epsilon equal to 0.61 into lambda by numerical aperture. Now they have given you the value of epsilon equal to 200 nanometer, okay, then the value of lambda equal to 400 nanometer, and they now want you to find out the value of Na. Now if you put these two values here, the value of numerical aperture would be 1.22. Correct answer is 1.22. okay. Going to the next question, the variant of lactate dehydrogenase predominantly found in brain is lactate dehydrogenase 1. There are 5 isoforms of LDH. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that, LDH1 is majorly predominantly found in brain. Okay. Next question, formation of extraembryonic membrane is one of the most remarkable features in the evolution of the vertebrates. In geological timescale, extraembryonic membrane appeared for the first time in, we know that amniotes share extraembryonic membrane. So obviously reptiles, aves, mammals all share extraembryonic membrane, but you have also to remember that cartilaginous fish has also extraembryonic membrane. Okay, so the correct answer is option A. Next question, the cambial layer of periderm is known as, the cambium layer of periderm is known as phelogen. Okay, there are 3 layers, phloem, phelogen and pheloderm. The correct answer is, the cambial layer is phelogen. Next question, identify the amino acid that being a constituent of protein does not function as a substrate for kinase. We know that if there are tyrosine, tryptophan or threonine amino acid in a protein, then that protein can be phosphorylized. Okay, but there is no answer for our our tryptophan. Okay, if there is tyrosine, threonine or serine, the protein can be phosphorylized, but not the tryptophan. So correct answer is option A, tryptophan. Okay. Next question, which of the following restriction endonuclease generate fragments with blunt end? The correct answer is MA1. Very easy one. Next question, which one of the following statement is not true regarding differentiation of different cell types originating from embryonic germ layer? Neurons of brain originate from ectoderm layer, it is correct. Bone tissue originate from mesoderm, correct. Facial muscle originate from mesoderm, correct. RBC originate from endoderm, it is incorrect because RBC originate from mesoderm. Okay. Next question, in liquid Kinselation counter, which one of the following is a fluorescent substance? The correct answer would be your solute. Next question, a rare autosomal recessive disease is expressed in a child. Only one parent of the child is carrier. Which one of the following best explains expression of this disease? So let's say this among 2 parents, one is carrier. Okay, so let's say this one is the carrier. Okay, and other one is normal. So obviously to become the diseased person, the child needs 2 A minus alleles. Okay, but there is only 1 A minus, so obviously the child did not get the another allele from the father, okay, or the mother. So obviously there is only 1 allele, and that allele is responsible for manifestation of the disease. So it is a clear case of monosomy. Okay, so correct answer is option C, monosomy. So with this I end my today's video here. In this video we have discussed 20 questions and in my next videos I will discuss rest 80 questions, okay, in my coming videos. So for the time being, thanks for watching and happy learning.